All right, let's talk how to make a capsule. So I buy empty vegetable capsules on Amazon. I get just a bag of probably 1,000 of them for about $10. And I keep them in a drawer in our kitchen. So this is a bag full of capsules. I'm gonna get one out. And as you can see, it has a top that comes off. So I pop the top off of this capsule and set it aside. Now I'm gonna make a capsule of grapefruit to support metabolism and energy and digestion. So I get my grapefruit. I take my capsule and hold it upright, and I put my grapefruit oil directly over it and just let it drop in. So 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm just going to do 4 drops. So now there's 4 drops of grapefruit in the little capsule. And then here's what I do, and I recommend you do too. I get a glass dropper bottle on Amazon. You can find these. And I fill this with extra virgin olive oil. So this has a dropper inside that makes it super easy to fill the rest of your capsule. So I take the dropper full of olive oil, I stick it down into the capsule, and I squeeze to fill it to the top. Now that's done. It's full of my essential oils and olive oil. Oops, no worries. And I carefully pop the top back on. Now this is ready to take by mouth. And that's it. That's how you make a capsule of your essential oils. You can do this with any oils that you want from the Vitality collection or that you know from your pocket reference book or your app that you can take internally. Oils internally support all kinds of things. So do some research, and happy making capsules to support your health.